Hey guys, it's SCryptoTrader again here with a new video, and it's been a very long time. I've been away for so long. I had my second kid. There's a lot of things happen with me in life, and I've been very actively trading crypto as always. On Discord, you can go track it and check it. The links are gonna be in description, or you can see on my profile as SCryptoTrader. You can go and link and get everything. But yeah, I've been away from the channel. I've thought of starting again and again. I did not, and it's all about meme coins. All right, this 2024 is all about meme coins. Everyone is trading meme coin. This has been a year of meme coins. So many millions made, so many millions gone broke. It's just ups and down. It's just faster. It's crypto, Bitcoin, but on faster scale. It gives you bigger return, bigger losses. So you need to know what you're doing and control the greed and there's so many rugs. Trust me, every minute, every second, like few seconds, you find something that's launching on Solana or other chain. But yeah, there's so many meme coins, so many rugs on daily basis. You don't want to get in so quick. You don't want to FOMO. That's the thing. If you control your FOMO, you'll be just fine. You won't lose too much. Control your greed, control your emotions. It all comes down to emotions. There's so many rug. If I show you why I think this could be a rug, it would be a very long video. So we'd rather just go into the coins that I want to talk about. First of all, I want to talk about PEPE, the big one. I got in PEPE last night dip because a BTC gave us dip. This was already a plan in mind where I wanna buy most probably. And yeah, I loaded my bag and I'm riding up around 20%. This is a safer place for me, but when it comes to degen place, and I'm gonna share those for you sorry, those with you guys as well. Another one with USDT had a huge dip to the lows, and it picked up good amount of volume. This is a good volume spike here in VIF, which the thing is, what I look is, has everyone been taken out? Yes, they have. A lot of lows has been taken out. All the stop losses that's sitting here been taken out. A lot of people look at these levels now, they all wiped off. Yesterday close was a good entry for it, but I was focused on the good one that looks bullish, because PEPE high low is right here, and weekly is very sweet chart. Weekly does not have any dip. It looks amazing, right? PEPE amazing. There's a potential for it to go for new high, or at least test these 1,500. I mean, based on the number on the right side here, around this area I can test, because the thing is, there's a lot of people that were buying here the dip, they're stuck here. So you don't want to wait till this zone. If you want to take profit, if you're just trading like me, I was just buying this to play the bounce. I'll probably wait for this high to be taken. Around 1,400 would be fine. Even 1,300 to 1,500, I can just start taking profit that range. It's already almost 1,300 anyways. So 13 to 1,500 range. It could just spike further though. It could go for all-time high. That's a different story, because it's bullish. It can do that. We have seen is freaking down a lot. It's down 70% from the highs. And this is $1 billion coin. If that can go down this much, others can too, and that's completely normal when it comes to meme coins. You need to know what you're doing, how much you're putting in. Those were a bit safer place. Still, they dropped a lot. We can look into other ones. So we have other one, bendog, which had amazing chart. Like if you see what bendog did is, the community is huge, 50,000 in Telegram. They're doing well. It grew very smoothly, but it had a huge 90% drop, guys. 90% drop is no jokes. They had 90% drop, but it took them a month to 2 months from here to here, and then recovery. And they launched staking, I think, which probably gave them the boost. A lot of people like staking. The thing is, they can lock their token, and there is less token in the market to sell. So that psychology part is scarcity of having less token in the market is amazing. I think a lot of people already, a lot of projects already done in the past. So maybe this could be a new trend in meme coin, having staking. There are already some projects doing it, but not many. But maybe we'll see projects coming that target staking and give huge API. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, this is one of the one that did amazing. Just showing you for example, and it dipped, and there's a potential probably it will go test the highs again because of the staking. More people, if they want to stake it, community is huge, the activity is good, so and we might see a 0.05 area to be tested, and it might go for new high as well, but it's already 30 million. You wanna, you want to avoid something is already huge. I mean, you never know what Brad did. I've been looking at Brad under 100 million, and we'll go check Brad in a second. Check Brad and see what Brad is up to. I want to make sure I get the proper one. All right, this one. Yeah, this is the one. Yeah, 1.66 billion. All right, I saw this down here somewhere, guys. I've ignored it because I've been trading Solana coins mostly. Never know what's gonna happen. Maybe what we're looking is sitting around here. A lot of projects will dip because what happens, the first big hype comes, a lot of people chase it, and then it moves so much up, and then eventually the hype needs to cool down a little bit, and the market needs to go for discounted price. 65% dip happened actually with the, if you include the wick, it's like 70%, and then it's going for new high, and it's looking amazing still. Looking at the chart, there's no sign of weakness in Brad because Brad is the biggest meme coin on the base chain. So this is the one you want to keep an eye on if you want to, do well. I don't want to say go chase it, but you want to buy something when it's cheap or discount for a pullback. You can keep an eye on this. It's already huge. Remember that it's already 1.6 billion market cap. You want to buy something that's less and doing well. I've asked on my Twitter which coins you want me to talk about, and I've been talking about DOKY because they gave amazing airdrop at the start. I found them on Facebook, I think, and yeah, they've been doing it. And BMN talk. This is their leader, which is CTO right now, DOKY leader. So the good thing is the leader is leading it, and he's big already. His influence is big. 130k followers on Binance Square. So he does have some influence, trust in the market, which is another thing that I was interested in. And their community just raided my post like crazy, a lot of it. Gold is another one that I've seen is doing amazing at the same time. Sats, Frog, there's so many mentions here, but we'll see what are the mentioned the most. Okay, we can see that, and DOKY is the one that people mention the most, so we'll talk about DOKY. All right, let's talk about DOKY because I've been following this project from the start. I've seen this the airdrop. They did amazing with the airdrop. At the peak, it was worth around $480. The airdrop. It was given to thousands of members. So yeah, it's been great, and it's almost 2 months old now. DOKY is, and it's been doing amazing, and I've shared the chart on Twitter as well about it just yesterday because I've seen after a while, and looks good, very good, because this is what you want to see. You don't want to see a sharp candle. These kind of candles what you're seeing here, it can go by EVM, which are the bots that front run people. So it does, what happens is it starts small, and then panic sellers that FOMO in, and then it just the price action of story of emotions are built in these wicks. But other than that, it's sitting a good zone. I did get some day before yesterday, I think I've shared at the bottom 1 million because they CTO, I'll show you 1 second. Right now the CTO is Crypto Mechanic, which is this guy. He's reputable on Binance Square. If you see, he does is CTO of, and does have 130k followers on Binance Square. He's been from the start in Binance Square. So yeah, this is one to keep an eye on. It's reputable, it's good, does have everything that you want from a project, and it's only sitting 1 million. I think this is the only donkey coin which is low. Everything has boomed. Duck, you name it. every other animal, duck, cat, dog, mouses, rat, stuff like that. So many. But yeah, other than that, it's something to keep an eye on for next month. I think is good to if it. So I think the CTO came around this price, 1 million. So it shot up to 2.5 million, and it gradually came down. There's no hard, sharp selling happening, which is very good sign. This is what you want to see. And then the price was stable here around this demand zone, and there's a chance we can see potential new high. Right? If it gets good enough push, we can see a new high. This is the one I'm keeping an eye on. And yeah, let's see what else we are getting. And there's so many of the community has rated my posts. The coins they want me to talk about. We have a gold here, a lot of Muscat, Sats. No, not really. Frog. I'll see. I don't want to talk about every symbol we see here. I just want to see what was asked the most. So Muscat. There's a bunch of Muscats and DOKY. I think it's Donkey and Muscat. They shared Muscat. Alright, let's talk about Muscat as well and see what they're up to. Because the thing is, Muscat was partnered with, because as I said, I've been looking at DOKY from the start, little by little, following them. I sold and then buying again. They have been initially partnered with DOKY, and yeah, it did amazing. 2 million the first day, and then it started just because I remember when it launched, it kept on. It was trending top 4, I think, but it was trending everywhere. So what caused the drop was because it was trending everywhere, DEX tool everywhere, which caused people to FOMO buying and then dropped it. And yeah, this week I've already mentioned how this week happens, but yeah, it's been stable, ranging, and this is where you want to buy coins when they don't have enough history. Like 7 transaction, 2.5k volume is nothing, absolutely nothing. This is where you want to buy coin when it feels like dead, when no one is buying it. You want to buy, accumulate this kind of tokens at such a low prices, and that can help you to make more money, and the risk of downside is less. If they're holding for a month plus, this price range means there is something, and there is something. I think they're working on a game. I've seen an update in DOKY channel that they're working on a game, and I was playing a little bit as well. They're very active on Twitter, Telegram, and everything. They're raiding all day. Yeah, the website looks very clean. They have coin market cap listing, everything smooth for that, and the price is sitting such a level. And they're working on a game which is Meme Hunt. It's a fun game. You can join if you want to. Just go to their website and just go to homepage. Right here, play on Telegram. Just click that. It will take you to Telegram. You get your own referral link. It's 10% commission of players that play. I've shared this on my Facebook, and this is why you see have a lot of commission. And it's a lot easier to farm when you have other players playing on your behalf. But yeah, the game works just fine, smooth. So far I didn't see any, and you have daily tasks. You don't have to play if you don't want to play, but you have a lot of options. Daily tasks is similar to Eiger. If you ever played it's called Eiger, Agar, and then yeah, you just do this and you can go. So this is bigger than mine. You can press space to run faster, and this one, so you want to eat someone who is smaller than your bubble, and that's pretty much it. You see, I can eat him as well. Yep, just 2 of them. Alright guys, I'll just skip this. But yeah, it's fun. You chase others. That's why it's called Meme Hunt. You chase others and have fun. We might just do a longer session of playing this live. It's definitely a lot of fun playing this game. Anyways, that's pretty much it. We talked about did we talk about Daddy? I think we missed Daddy. Daddy's the one, because it's an Andrew token, right? And Andrew has been promoting this shit like crazy. Not shit. Yeah, it is shit coin. His influence is 2k to 300 million, 350 million. But again, a lot of people then sell. He probably gave money to so many influencer percentage, and they probably start selling it slowly and book their profit, and he's holding good. That's the thing you want to see. You do not want to see the rugs will be direct drop. The rugs, let's make it red. This is not how the rugs look like. It means it's holding here, and like Brad did, it could do the similar thing, because if he wanted to dump or rug everyone, he would have done by now. But if he's staying small portions, making money, that's part of the game. I mean, he's winning from his influence. So yeah, there's a potential this can still go up, and a lot of people will draw trend line and try to do this or do this way. Trend lines are so subjective, but whatever way you do it, it's already been broken out. But I think there's a potential for this to have a push leg up, and if it does, it's gonna be crazy. Then the thing you need to understand is it's not super community based, in the sense of community doing it. It's influence that pushing it so much more than the community influence itself. But yeah, if people trust him, and there's a huge fan base, big fan base when it comes to Tate. And so yeah, so we have Daddy, Bendog, we have seen Muscat, DOKY, and PEPE is already a big one, so I had to share. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for this one. But I'll come and share more details. It's the first video, so I wasn't sure the best way to put this video on. But yeah, I'll come with more videos, and it will get better and better. Just trust me, it will get better and better with time. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.